Hello everyone, once again. Thank you for tuning into our YouTube channel. We have mentioned in the past that we are dedicated to providing tips on saving you money on everyday living. And in a previous video we talked about Tello and who it might benefit as far as a wireless user or wireless consumer, someone that doesn't use a lot of internet or a lot of just calling. So if you just want to have an active phone number that you don't use a lot, let's say you're a couple months a year that you're overseas, switch your phone over to Tello, pay them $5 a month, and just have either 500 megabytes of data and maybe just 100 minutes or no minutes of calling, or just have 100 minutes and no internet. It's still $5 a month. $7 is what we're going to try out. We're going to give it a try for 1 gigabyte of data and 100 minutes of calling, which is an hour and 40 minutes a month, with free text messages. So in this particular situation, we put in an address here in Kingman, Arizona, and it does a check for you, and it tells you that you will get 5 bars of 3G and voice best coverage, and you also get 5 bars of 4G LTE indoor and outdoor coverage. So once you put that in, you select your plan. Once you have your plan selected, oh, by the way, look at that here. It includes calls to Canada, Mexico, and China. Calls to Mexico and China are included. That's not a bad deal. So I'm going to go ahead, plan selected. I'm going to enter my phone IMEI number. I'm going to pause the video and do that, and then we'll continue. Okay, I already entered my phone's IMEI number up here. I hit check, and the system told me, awesome, your phone wants to join Tello. So I'm just going to give you a little bit of information on that. As long as it's a Sprint phone, it would work on Tello. Or a phone that is unlocked. So it could be a Verizon phone that's unlocked, then it would work. So the phone that I put up here, the IMEI I put up here, is on a Verizon iPhone 10. And of course it tells me that it's unlocked. Then you go into your, do you have a CDMA SIM from Sprint? Yes, I have one. I actually ordered one from Tello. I got it in the mail for $9.99. You can just put in the card number there and then hit check. I'm going to pause the video and do that, and then we will continue to follow through. Okay, so I already inputted that information, my SIM card number up here, which I got, and I got it straight from Tello, so I put it on there. I hit the next button, check, and it didn't give me an error. That means it's good. The next question is, do you want to port in your old phone number? So if you don't want to port in your old phone number, just hit no, and that's it. But if you hit yes, it'll give you this area here where you're going to type in your phone number. And after that, you're going to need to provide 2 pieces of information to Tello from your current carrier. Folks, it doesn't matter who your current carrier is. If it's Verizon, if it's AT&T, T-Mobile, it doesn't matter. You're going to need 2 things from them. 1 is your PIN number, and 2 is going to be your actual account number, which they will give you. You're going to need those 2 pieces of information to follow through. So I'm going to put in the phone number. Again, I'm going to pause the video so I can do that, and I'll follow, and you can follow me on the next part of the video. Okay, folks, so I entered the phone number in there that I want to port over to Tello. I hit the check box, and it gave me the following information. We need few more details from your previous service provider to get your number into Tello. To fill in the form below with the correct information, check your bill or account with your former carrier or contact them directly. Again, I cannot stress this enough. You need the account number and your password and the information exactly as it appears with your current carrier. The exact same name. If your name is listed on there as James, don't put Jim. Put it exactly as it shows in your account. Last name, street name, city, state, zip, and then just hit continue. So we're going to pause the video, do that, and continue. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so I already have that information put on there. I put the exact name on the account, exact billing address. If you have a unit number or apartment number, don't forget to put it exactly as it shows on your account. It'll raise a flag if you don't have it the right way. If you just have like unit 206 and on your account and instead you put number 206, it'll boot it out. So once you get that in there, phone selected, you're going to go ahead and proceed to checkout. So once you hit checkout, it will ask you to put in your billing address. What is the address where you're going to be billed to? And once you put that in there, depending on which state you're using as your billing address, let's say you have a credit card with a billing address, whatever state it may be, it will calculate the taxes. And this can vary from state to state, but it's usually not a whole lot if you go with a cheaper plan. Obviously, if you put more money, you're getting taxed a higher percentage on the total amount. So in my case here, it's going to be $755. That's what I'm going to be paying every month. So I'm going to go ahead and put the card number and information next because I already put the actual billing address. So we're going to stop and pause and continue. Okay, so I already put in the credit card information and hit next. And this is the screen I got. The product is selected. My plan is selected. My order has been under review. Check. And I'm good to go. Check. So the order status is pending. For a brief second, I couldn't get it fast enough to start recording the screen. For a brief second, it said port order status pending. But it was just for a brief second. So that must mean that it's already, the status is already through. Your order is being processed. And it's saying here I may get contacted by a customer service representative. Or if you need to contact them now, you should be able to just get in touch with them this way. I don't know if that will reveal a phone number. Yeah, you can email them or just start a chat or just call one of the phone numbers there. So I can type my message here and ask them to email me, or I can start a chat if I wanted to. So that also works. Or I can just pick up the phone and call them. So either way, it's toll free. But anyway, I thought I'd give you a brief overview of how to connect with them, how to port the number if that's your case. Usually, if you got all the information in front of you, it's really smooth sailing. When people start hitting bumps on the road is when they don't have the PIN number or their account number, or they don't have the correct address of the account holder or the correct name. It has to be exactly like it shows on the bill. Otherwise, it will raise a red flag and turn the port request back around. So you need to have the exact name. Like I said, if you're using James on the account number, don't put Jim. Or if you're using Jim, don't put James. Make sure it's exactly like it shows in your account number. So thank you once again for watching. I do want to briefly tell everyone that if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do. And also, we're inviting you to browse through our different channels that we have produced in the past that are designed to help you save money on everyday living. So please take the time to browse through our YouTube channel. Click on the videos tab and you'll be able to see all of our videos. And just click on the one that you like if you're interested. We have produced videos on why it's not a good idea to finance a phone, for example. And you might see that at the top here at the end of this video, so you can just simply click on it. But we have many videos like that that are designed to help you save money. So thank you once again for watching. Please subscribe. If you have already, please. In that case, then thank you for subscribing. You all have a great day.